Hi everyone and welcome to lesson 49. Please answer my 30 questions and you will learn 30 words with that. Rise, rose, risen. Sunrise. Have you ever watched the sunrise? This. How would you describe this moment in one word? Undergo, underwent, undergone. Have you ever had to undergo a big change? Boat. Would you rather live on a boat or on land? Disc. Diskette. Have you ever used a diskette? Associate. Do you associate any smells with certain memories? Nearly. Is there anything you nearly achieved but missed? Doctor. What qualities do you think a good doctor should have? Nowhere. Have you ever been somewhere that felt like nowhere? Picture. Do you enjoy taking pictures? Row. Line. Row. Have you ever rowed a boat? Do you prefer sitting in the front or back row at events? Unfortunate, unfortunately. Do you think some people are just unfortunate? Clever. Who is the most clever person you know? Estate. Real estate. Are you interested in real estate? Obedient. Obey. Were you an obedient child? Escalator. What's the longest escalator you've ever been on? Incorrect. How do you handle being wrong or incorrect? Pick up. Do you often pick up souvenirs when you travel? Rule. Are there any rules you don't agree with? Thief. Theft. Have you ever experienced a theft? Comment. Do you like reading comments online? Building. What's your favorite building in your city or town? Same, the same. Do you and your friends have the same taste in music? Shampoo. How often do you shampoo your hair? Embarrass. Embarrassing. What's the most embarrassing thing that has happened to you? Forward. Forwarder. Do you look forward to the future? Girlfriend. What qualities do you think make a good girlfriend? Inner. Do you believe everyone has an inner voice? Performance, perform. What kind of performances do you enjoy watching? Remove. Do you find it hard to remove stains? And that's all for today. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.